Good morning, this is Chris at Powder Keg showing you how easy it is to install our 124 series box on your Skidoo G4 series platform. This is our mounting rail you'll be using. There'll be no drilling, no riveting. When you get your mounting rail, on your G4 you may find that these holes here are covered by little stickers. If you have a 2-cycle motor, these will be covered by little stickers. If you have a 4-cycle motor, there will probably be about a 1/4 inch thick plastic shield covering this. If you have the stickers, I've found the easiest way to open the front 3 holes, leave the 4th hole covered. The front 3 holes, take a drill, put the drill bit in, poke it through the sticker, run the drill in reverse, and just ream the sticker out like a router, and it will push the sticker in the downward position, leaving nice sharp edges. If you have the plastic mounting plate, you'll need to drill a hole in the front 3, probably about a 3/8 hole would do it for our application. Then on the 2-cycle motors with the stickers, you will lay our spacer washers over those 3 holes. These spacer washers are meant to raise our rail just slightly because we have an OEM rivet right here that could interfere. So then you will be using these holes in our rail . The rear hole on the rear series of holes, the rear hole on the front series of holes, and the second back hole. We've sent along lock nuts, no washers needed. You'll need a 7/16 inch end wrench or socket. You'll need a Phillips drill or screwdriver. Okay, after you get them started, it's that easy. You're done. I've already pre-done the other side. The box will sit on. You'll notice that you have many different slots to choose from as to where to mount it. This position is the most forward slot. If you've got a bag or something you want to sit in here, you can just move it back and grab one of the more rear positions. The 124 series fuel container also fits directly underneath this if needed. It'll tell you in the instructions how to put these draw latches on the side of your box. It will also tell you that they work very hard at first. There's a short break-in period, just a matter of turning them, maybe 8 or 10 times, make them much more user-friendly. They're wearing off a little powder coating and getting stainless steel items that are internally in these latches mated to fit each other properly. That's it. That's how long it takes to put your box on your new G4. This will fit the 129s and longer.